In front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then tap on App Notifications and use blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them. To switch them back on, hit the same now grey switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!